In the heart of the seven seas, aboard the legendary ship the Whiskers Revenge, sails the most feared captain ever to roam the waters, Captain Whiskers. Armed with razor-sharp claws and an eye for treasure, Captain Whiskers feared no beast. Until he appeared. The terror of the deep, the great white doom. Legend says no ship has survived his wrath, but this is no ordinary ship. With a mighty leap, the beast boarded the Whiskers Revenge, teeth against claws, sea spray against fur, the battle that had begun. Oh. Agile as the wind, Captain Whiskers danced around the predator. Striking where it hurt most. But the shark fought back with the force of the ocean itself. Turning the deck into a battlefield of chaos. With one final leap, the captain ensnared the beast, binding it tight. The ocean roared, and the legend of the pirate cat was born. And so the seven seas remain under the rule of Captain Whiskers, the only pirate to ever tame the terror of the deep.